Hey, I was going to go over a few that were missed quite a bit. Most of you have done pretty well on the permutations, and also give you a heads up on combinations and your assignment due Wednesday. Don't forget to send me a short video just telling me what you liked, disliked about the whole last month. But getting back to permutations, the reindeer seem to have been the problems that give you the most issues. If you have 5 reindeer, you're picking 3 to fly. Remember, permutations, the order is important. So you would have 3 flying slots. Let's get a pen showing. So I've got option 1, option 2, option 3. If you're choosing from 5 reindeer, you only have 5 options here. You would have 4 remaining there, times 3 there. So 5 times 4 is 20 times 3. You would have 60 being the answer. Okay, doing one more similar to that. Again, the reindeer strike again. This time we have 6 reindeer. We're only picking 4. But remember, order is important on this. So we're picking 4 slots. So there's 6 options for the first slot, times 5, times 4, times 3. So we have our 60 basically times our 6. So there's 360 would be your answer on that one. Same thing, 6, choose 3. We would stop it right there. So you would have 120 in that option, but that's a permutation. I'm going to show you in just a little bit how you can actually use your calculator to figure those also, but it's really almost quicker using the factorial. Don't really worry about a formula so much, it's just thinking through it. ACT really likes these problems. So permutation, now these are combinations. This is where order does not matter. So permutation, order matters. Combination, it does not matter. Thinking of it like your combo meal. You don't care what order you get it in as long as you get your food. So here you get a free ticket for a boat ride. You can only bring along 2 friends, but you have 5 that want to come. So we still have 2 options. You have 5 people that can fill the first slot. You can have 4 people to fill the second slot. So you would think, hey, man, the answer would be 20. But realize it doesn't matter if you pick A, then B, or B, then A. That makes it the same. So when you have the combination, you have to take that and divide by the number you're choosing factorial. So that answer would only be 10. Doing another one. Erase this off. You have 9 shirts, but only 5 fit in the bag. It doesn't matter which one you pick first, which one you pick last. You just need 5 to go. But remember, we don't want to count these duplicates. So we're going to divide this answer by 5 factorial, because that's how many you're picking. But you would have 9 options here, times 8, times 7, times 6, times 5. And you would put that answer over the 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And I'm just going to go responses given here. The answer was 126. Your 9 factorial would be 1,520. So 15,120 decisions altogether. But when you divide that by the 5 factorial, there's only 126 ways. So that's combination when order is not important. Permutation is just this piece. Okay. Last thing is, this is your assignment due Wednesday, along with you sending me your video. Just to save you some time on this, make it easy on yourself. If it has fewer than 3 left-handed, don't count all these dots. It's going to be given somewhere up here at the top. Like it tells me it's 40 classes. So I can go in and put 40 on the bottom. Fewer than 3, so I don't count the 3s. The hardest part is counting these little dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 40. You do not even have to simplify this. It will take your answer correctly without it being simplified. So 8 over 40, if you divide those both by 8, you get 1/5, which is the 0.2, but it would take any of these. So you don't even have to simplify on those. You can just leave it as a fraction. If you saw this in ACT, you would have to go down and simplify. But realize, use that so you don't have to count all those. go with what it's asking for and go. So fewer than 7 successes, so you just count the 6 column, put it over 25, and you're done on that one. Now, giving you some heads up on how to type these permutations and combinations in your calculator. And you can get this software downloaded on your computer if you happen to leave your calculator, if it's still at the school or you don't have it accessible. This software is free for 6 months, so take advantage there. But say that we have 9 reindeer and we're only picking 4, but order is important. So we want to use a permutation. So we would go 9 over to math, go back 2 to probability right here. Option 2 is going to be permutation. Option 3 would be the combination. But when order is important, the permutation would tell me there's 3,024. That's the same thing as 9 times 8 times 7 times 6. We got 4 spots that we're filling. So permutation order is important. It's really almost quicker to do this modified factorial there. Now say that you have the combination. You've got 9 items, 9 friends to go on a trip, and you can only pick 4. Doesn't matter who you pick first, who you pick last. So that would be a combination. That answer is only 126. Well, why is that? Because on top you've got 9 times 8 times 7 times 6, just like you did earlier. But we have to exclude the duplicates. So we would divide it by, we're picking 4 items. So 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And that should give us the exact same thing. So as you're doing these exercises, if order matters, you can use your calculator with the P. If order does not matter, you can use your calculator with the combination. So permutation, order matters, combos, doesn't matter as long as you get all your food. So hope this helps you out, makes this a little easier for you. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to send me your video, and hope you're doing well. Take care. Bye-bye.